Want to shop something really beautiful for this festive and wedding season? Then definitely come down here. You will find beautiful 2-piece, 3-piece sets, saris, Lucknowi wear, and amazing options for festive season. Some beautiful home decor as well, torans. Then we have home furnishing, beautiful jewelry options for wedding, festive, traditional looks. Then we have saris ke option. So this is High Life Brides exhibition happening for 2 days at Le Meridian. Do come down here and swipe left to check out the collection. This is Diva Stories of Cotton, and they have beautiful outfits like this. Just check out some beautiful mirror work on it. Very pretty if you want to style something, comfortable for festive season. They have whole range of outfits available here in different colors, in different patterns. Very pretty. So they have lots of options, as you can see, in all different colors that you can style for the festive season or also for your office wear. Very pretty. This is Anurita and Pranay, and यहाँ पे आपको 3-piece, 2-piece sets में बहुत सुंदर options मिल जाएंगे. So festive season के लिए, wedding purposes के लिए, if you want to style some beautiful outfits, they have all kinds of range available. Something in 3-piece cord set if you want. Beautiful options are available. One brand for jewelry from Surat, and यहाँ पे भी आपको बहुत सुंदर options मिल जाएंगे. Sleeves में if you want these kind of long neck pieces, beautiful options in bracelets, kadas, chokers. Check this out. Whole sets also you will find. Very pretty. They have beautiful options available. Then some studs if you want. Minimal neck pieces for your western wear. You'll find it all here. This is Lucknowi kurtis and plazo, and they have beautiful options in Lucknowi wear. Just check this out.
So in different colors we have.
We have different colors.
And we have a different pattern as well. I will show you.
Okay.
See this? We do have the short kurtas as well. You can pair it with pants.
Beautiful. So if you want to style some short kurtis, they have options for that.
All kurtas also.
They have sets as well with dupatta. Very pretty. So Lucknowi lovers can definitely come down here. They have whole range of outfits like this. Where you have bottoms as well?
We do have the bottom,
Okay.
like stretchy pants also. We do have, and we do have Afghani also. I will show you one.
Color to color nahi hai.
Like
They have got bottoms as well. Very pretty. Thank you so much. So this is the Lucknowi brand that you need to come to. This is Mirwab K, and they have got beautiful options in saris. Just check this out.
Hi, we got hand sarees like these.
Very pretty.
Then apart from that, we have in lehengas also.
They have got beautiful lehengas.
We have something like these as well.
Very pretty.
Then apart from this, we have dresses like what she is wearing.
They have got beautiful dresses as well. These kind of sets. Beautiful. So they have lot of options for lehengas as well as beautiful 2-piece sets. Yes. Long anarkalis if you like.
Colors can be customized.
Colors can be customized. So yes, this is Nirvab K. Beautiful saris, dress materials or 2-piece sets. Do come here. We have some very pretty jewelry options. This is Namra Jewels, and for the wedding season, if you want to style something very pretty and stylish, they have the options available. Yes sir. So what do we have?
Hi, this is Sira from Namra Jewels, and we are from Mumbai. Well, if you see this, we have a whole collection of solitaires and exquisite collection because all the diamonds are lab-grown diamonds. They are all IGI certified, and they're all set in 14 karat gold.
14 karat gold. Very pretty. They have beautiful options. You can definitely come down here and shop some very stunning jewelry. This is women fashion from Jaipur. Just look at the outfit. If you want to style something very unique and something very stylish, this is the place to come to. Let's check out some outfits. Oh my god, such pretty colors. The embroidery, the work is very beautiful. You'll find range of color options and range of patterns here. Very pretty. So for your wedding functions, something unique, something stylish and fashionable. We have something in white as well. Some pastel shades. Wow, such elegant piece. Very pretty. Okay, they have lehengas as well. Very pretty. The color combination, very beautiful. Thank you so much. This is from Ayush Sharma, and यहाँ पे you will find beautiful options in sarees in all different fabrics and kinds. So we have lots of customers here. It's very pretty. I must tell you that this is the perfect place if you want to shop some beautiful sarees options. So this is Akarshan by Himali, and यहाँ पे आपको पूरा home decoration का items मिल जाएंगे. Just check this out. They have beautiful options in trays, whole sets you will find. They have these kinds of very luxurious looking pieces. Check this out. They have, aartis, thalis, shubh labh, very pretty, this kind of beautiful torans. So आपको होम डेकोर के लिए, दिवाली के लिए कुछ शॉप करना है, then you will find options for this. And just in front of that we have decor and more. यहाँ पे भी आपको पूरा होम डेकोर आइटम्स मिल जाएंगे. Check this out. Torans, wall hangings, something in floral if you want. They've got beautiful options. And with that, not just decor, we have home furnishings as well, जहाँ पे आपको bedsheet, sofa cover, cushion cover, doormat, पूरा options, one under one roof. So this is Ada by Rizwana, and they are from Mumbai. यहाँ पे you will find beautiful options in jewelry. As you can see, they have such amazing variety that आपको देखते ही पसंद आ जाएगा. They have a huge range of earrings. Just check this out. So this is the Highlight Brides exhibition. If you want to shop for the wedding season, some amazing jewelry options, this is the place where you have to be. Just check out the range of options they're offering. Customers have already coming in. See, they have some options for western jewelry, some long neck pieces, whole sets as well. So all in different colors. So इसलिए आपका लहंगा कोई भी कलर का हो, you can style beautiful jewelry. So do visit.